Welcome to another District 75 AI tutorial. Today we will learn how to code a city map using Canva AI. To log into Canva, first I will start by searching for Canva in Google. From here I'll click into the website. Canva is approved by New York City Public Schools. So from here you'll log in or check that you are logged into your New York City Schools account. From here you'll be able to access all the tools that Canva has to offer, but for this tutorial, I'll be focusing on the Canva AI feature, which can be found on the right-hand side. This Canva AI tool can be used to create many instructional tools, but for today's Open Maps Code a City activity, this can be used to plan a travel route for your class or navigating to a work site. Here I've pasted my prompt in. Take a moment here to pause and review the prompt that I added. My prompt states, create an open maps experience that demonstrates how a student could travel from Stuyvesant High School to Union Square subway station. The route should start at Stuyvesant High School, then walk to Brooklyn Bridge City Hall station. Then take the 4, 5, or 6 Uptown train to Union Square. The train line is green. I then provide additional information about the layout and steps, as well as information about my target learners, requesting multimedia directions with visual and audio support. From here, click the purple arrow and Canva AI will begin to generate your code. Once Canva has created your code a city map, begin to review the output. Here I'll begin to check for accuracy related to the details in the route, as well as any features I might want to change to improve student learning. I'm checking in on the map, the locations that I provided, as well as the steps listed and generated. After my review, I've decided that with step 2, I would like the description to be more clear. So I'm providing some of the changes I would like in the chat box on the left-hand side. So for step 2, adjust the destination from Brooklyn Bridge to Brooklyn Bridge City Hall subway station. Once again, I'll click the purple arrow and Canva will begin to generate that change. So in version 2, it looks like some changes were made to step 3, but the description of step 2 was not changed. From here, I'll add an additional, more clear request that explicitly identifies the change. In the description for step 2, it says, exit, turn right on Chamber Street, walk to Brooklyn Bridge. Please change the description to say, exit school, turn right on Chamber Street, walk east to Brooklyn Bridge City Hall subway station. So clarifying that is a subway station they are walking to, not Brooklyn Bridge. After providing that second prompt, you can see here, Canva generated version 3, where it did make the appropriate change to the description that I did request. And now I can continue to vet and review the output. Begin to notice here that the route in the map, the walking path, is rather inaccurate. For that change, adding another prompt, requesting another version to be made to improve the accuracy in learning with this tool. So the prompt here, adjust the dotted blue arrow line to accurately show the walking path from Stuyvesant High School to Brooklyn Bridge City Hall subway station. Additionally, in step 2, I see that the distance and the time, 0.3 miles in 6 minutes, is inaccurate. So I'm also adding the travel distance and time should be adjusted. For step 2, it says 0.3 miles in 6 minutes. But I know that it's a little bit longer of a walk than that, so updating it to be 0.6 miles and 14 minutes. After this additional prompt, once again, click the purple arrow and Canva will regenerate your map. Here in this fourth version, you can see that the walking path was changed, but not necessarily improved. That is something maybe you would continue to vet and adjust with prompts to improve for student learning. And for the second adjustment we requested related to step 2's distance and time, you can see that that change was successfully made to reflect the accurate time and distance for that step. Once you are satisfied with the output, you want to make sure that you save it to your Canva account. From your code, you'll click Use and Design in the right-hand corner. From here, you'll see you can save it to a website, presentation, document, or whiteboard. For today, I'll save it with a presentation. From here, you can see it opens as a Canva presentation. Scrolling through, you can see you can access your steps. You can zoom in and out on the map, as well as using the toggle bar at the bottom. Additionally, you can share using the Canva share feature, anyone with the link, maybe you share within your organization or with students in Google Classroom. It's important to note that as you begin to explore these tools and implement them in your instruction, that you are continuously reviewing the outputs and making adjustments to best meet your learners' needs and maintain integrity in your instruction. Use AI responsibly and consider the environmental impact. For more information or to provide feedback, please visit www.d75stem.com/AI. Thanks for watching.